Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm out here in the yard about to clean this pond. I clean this pond about twice a year. We built this pond about 4 years ago and it's time to get it clean. So if you guys want to see me clean this pond, let's get into it. Here it is. Look how muggy it is, y'all. You can't even see the bottom. And believe it or not, I do have some fish in here. And don't make fun of my get up, my outfit, because I'm about to get dirty and wet. Look at this waterfall. Let me unplug this. Drain the water out. While it's draining, I'm gonna be scrubbing. Look how dirty it is. Woo. I don't know about y'all, but if you got a fish pond, you want to be able to see your fish, right? Okay. So let's go ahead and get this thing as clean as we can so we can actually see our fish. But yeah, I just got one of these scrub brushes and I'm just going to scrub up all this muck, sludge, and algae. This is a process, so it's gonna take a minute. But when I'm done, this water gonna be crystal clear. You guys will be able to see the fish. All right, let's hope I don't slip and fall. What I'm doing is trying to push the water over to the pump so it'll suck all this dirty water out of here. And it's very slippery in here, you guys. My husband and I built this pond by hand. We didn't have no machinery, just a shovel, a couple of shovels out here, and I think an axe pick. I think that's what you call it. And we dug this whole thing out. It was a job. Found a dead lizard in the pond. I guess he didn't make it out. Chickens will have them. Ooh. You guys can start to see the fish now. They in there. And don't worry, they are perfectly safe. I've done this several times now. I've had this pond for a good, I would say at least 4, maybe 5 years. So my fountain also acts as a, guess you could say, sub pump, because it's pumping the water out. Okay, so when I start to hear this sound right here, I go ahead on and cut it off. So I got as much drained out as I can with this fountain slash pump. Now comes the dirty work. I gotta get in it. Okay, you guys. Time for some dirty work now. That's why I said, don't wear your good clothes when you are working in the yard. So, got my little scrub brush here. Gotta take my socks off. Oh, I just hope I don't fall. That's my main concern, is falling. Ooh boy. And there's gonna be some cold water. So yeah, here we go. We gotta the hard part. The reason I gotta do it like this, because I don't want to burn the motor up in my pump. That's about all I'm gonna get out by hand without, I gotta leave my fish some water. Freaking kink in the line. Oops, this gets on my nerves. Whoo, you guys, I am worn out. I have dumped about 1,000 buckets of water, and I've dumped enough. I'm not dumping no more. We're gonna go ahead on and fill this pond back up. All right, so these right here are lava rocks. It's in this mesh bag. It goes in my waterfall, and it is supposed to catch all the bad stuff, I guess you could say. I don't know, but it goes in the waterfall. It's part of the filtration system. So I'm just going to spray it down real good and clean it up, get it as clean as I can, and I'm gonna put it right back in. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and put this waterfall back together. This piece goes in first. Get the lava rocks. Alright, let's turn her on. Here it is. We got her back together. Boy, you guys, I am so tired. This has been a day. But guess what? We got her done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to just let her fill on up. And I'm going to show you guys, once she's full, how she's looking. Okay, you guys, so here it is. Here's the pond all cleaned up. You can see the bottom. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. You can see the fish down in there. So until next time, I'll be seeing y'all.